Sales engineer, systems engineer, solutions engineer, whatever their precise title, we tend to lump these folks into a category collectively called SE. But what is a sales engineer and what's their mission? We'll talk about it today on Quick Hits. What's up, hitters? This is Brandon Grieve with High Impact Technical Sales, enabling and inspiring you to crush it in life and in business. If you're a sales engineer, have you ever really thought about what your true role is? Some would say that as an SC, you give demos, do whiteboards, create Vizio drawings, conduct POCs, and of course, make the sales rep look good. Well, you're not wrong. Sales engineers do all of those things and more. However, those are just tasks and support of the mission. They're not the mission itself. So if that's not the job, what is? First and most importantly, good SEs smash the like button below and leave a comment. That's a given. Aside from that, let me ask you, do you roll up through the sales organization? Do you have a quota and get paid a commission or bonus when sales close? Then guess what? Your job, the job, is ultimately to sell stuff. I'm sure you already know that at some level. But let's dig a little deeper, because there's probably several folks on your team whose job it is to sell stuff. This may include sales reps, channel managers, business development reps, and more. So what makes the SE different? What's their unique role? As the engineer part of the sales engineer title would indicate, it's to manage the technical aspects of the sales cycle. Specifically, the SE's primary mission is to obtain the technical win. So, what does it mean to obtain the technical win? To answer that, let's consider a typical sales cycle. Somewhere between the stages when a customer first becomes interested in your solution and when they agree to purchase, there's a series of activities where we must assure them that our solution is the right one for them. There is a financial aspect of this for which the sales rep is generally responsible. But that's all for naught if the customer isn't convinced that our solution meets all of their technical needs and requirements. That's where the SE comes in. Sometimes customers will have predefined preferences or formal selection criteria by which to evaluate solutions, but not always. Sometimes the requirements are more loosely defined, but when it comes to technical solutions, it often boils down to one or more criteria such as features, capabilities, performance, reliability, support, simplicity, and/or others. Sales engineers have a plethora of tools in their arsenal to demonstrate to customers that our solution will solve their challenges and help them achieve their business objectives. This is where the list of tasks mentioned previously comes into play. Demos, whiteboards, POC, Vizio drawings, white papers, and many more. This can be a long, iterative process in which we may have to engage several stakeholders up, down, and across the customer's organization. This may be, and often is, the longest part of the sales cycle. And all of this is done with the goal of getting the customer to agree that our solution is their preferred technical option. That money aside, our solution best aligns with their goals and objectives. Once we've successfully done this, it then becomes the sales rep's job to get the financial win. In reality, the technical and financial aspects of the sales process are often run in parallel. However, if there's no technical win, there's no win, period. That is the primary mission of the sales engineer, and rockstar SEs know this. They keep this in the back of their mind as a reminder of the task at hand. The gravity of their role is a constant motivator and guidepost. But what do you think? Leave a comment and let's talk about it. And don't forget to visit us at highimpacttechsales.com for more content. Until next time, be enabled, be inspired, and go crush it in technical sales.